Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 7th of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if this is not resonating, honey, this is not your story as it's a journal reading. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you guys, okay? Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box or find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now, Taurus. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. So we have Empress, Page of Pentacles, Judgment, bottom of the deck is a Hierophant. Whoa, Taurus, what's happening? There's a sense of a lot of growth and expansion and happiness. There's a sense of can we start from the start, but this time we are going to keep it very stable, very safe, very secure. This time we are going to start with maturity, with understanding and a sense of stability. And there is a sense of forgiveness and letting go. It's almost same like Aries energy. You might be dealing with an Aries, or there might be Aries in your chart somewhere. If not, you don't have to mix those two readings. This is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, or rising. But the overall energy is matching with the first sign. Okay, so there's a sense of having growth and expansion. There's a sense of starting a brand new chapter. For some of you, it's a new person, new lover that you're dealing with, and you are letting go of the past person, past energy finally. And this new person, new energy is also very much interested in letting go of their past and be with you, because they can see the beauty, they can see the future, the potential in the situation. Bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. Both of you are feeling a very spiritual kind of bond with each other. You guys are feeling like this situation is in your life because of the spiritual bond, the spiritual things or lessons or blessings that you share with each other on a deeper level. One of you is a highly spiritual energy, and the other one is following that, and other one is trying to just match with the vibrations, the energies of that spiritual person here. But there's a sense of spiritual connection, spiritual bond. There's a sense of a lot of growth and expansion and happiness. There's a sense of stability starting from the start. For most of you, it's a new energy, new person that you're dealing with. For others of you, you guys might be starting a chapter with somebody again, but with stability. This time with stability, maturity, and a lot of forgiveness and letting go kind of deal is also there. The mutual energy here is let's start from the start. Let's start with stability, let's start with the understanding and with maturity. Pentacles represents maturity and stable energies. It's related to finances and money, but energy wise it's stability. Okay, and the lesson for both of you in this situation is you guys have to let go a lot of things, people, situations, and past trauma and past painful memories in order to start this chapter the way you guys should. Letting go is very important. Okay, let's see what we have. So your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Taurus. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have. We have Three of Wands. So this person is feeling like they're looking forward to have something between you and them. But before having something between you and them, they have to completely get over something that they're dealing with, something or someone. So they feel like looking forward to have a good future, good connection, good bond with you, but they're still one foot in, one foot out of a situation that they're still dealing with. Mostly out, but they're still dealing with something in the background. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Wands here. Yep. Okay. We have the Emperor, Queen of Pentacles, Four of Swords, right? This person is feeling that time is going to heal everything in their life, including this situation, including everything that they're dealing with along with this situation in their life. So they feel like taking the charge of their life in their own hands. They feel like you are their perfect match, but there is something in between you guys that is keeping you guys at a distance from each other. It can be physical distance, it can be dealing with somebody else from your side, from their side, but there's a sense of knowing that you and them have a strong potential to create something really meaningful and deep. Wow. But there's a sense of not right now. Okay, with a pinch of not right now. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Six of Swords. You feel like I don't care. What? You're like, I'm moving on towards calmer water. I'm finding my own peace. I'm finding my own happiness. I'm working on clearing my baggages, clearing my blockages, and I'm moving forward. Okay, let's clarify. You're like, okay, somebody's interested in me. Fine, goodbye. What? That's not how it is. It should, like, that's not how it should be, honey. Right? Let's see. We have the Queen of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, you're manifesting this energy of moving on from drama, from conflict, from chaos. Right now, you feel like you should be very, very focused on your money, job, career, finances, and your family, and or those people who are like family to you. Nothing else, no one else is right now in your circle of priorities. You're like, no, 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 right now I just feel like creating my own life, creating my own reality, working on myself, my job, career, money, finances, health. I just feel like I should not um, waste my time, efforts, and energy in any kind of drama in my life. This is what you feel very, very strongly. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey, Taurus? Somebody seems interested and you are kind of throwing them away, or you showed some interest in someone, but they have some kind of blockages and issues that they have to sort out and they are not able to do that. That's why you feel like, no, goodbye, I don't have time. Okay, my love. Ten of Swords. Let me clarify this before I am going to jump into any kind of conclusions. This, let's see what their intentions are. The Ten of Swords came. Let's see, let's clarify. We have Eight of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Eight of Pentacles. What the hell? This person doesn't want to talk to you about some kind of ending, breakup, separation, some kind of brutal or ugly ending. Maybe in their life, maybe in yours, or maybe you guys had this brutal ending at some point of time. This person wants to run away from the communication that needs to be done in this dynamics so that you guys can make things work out. But at the same time, this person wants to start from the start with you. They want to put in the effort and energy brick by brick, like step by step, so that you guys can make things work out between you and them. But they don't want to talk to you about a ugly breakup, ugly separation, or a very ugly experience of their life. They don't want to talk to you about that at all, whether it was between you and them or it was like separately in your life or theirs. This person doesn't want to talk to you about that at all, but they want to put in the effort and energy from their side in this dynamics, and they want you also to do that. How? Okay, there's something really painful that happened here, right? But they are like, no, I don't want to talk about that. I want to be with you, but don't want to talk about that. Not at all, not right now, not ever. Right now, this is their energy. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? King of Wands. Taurus, you are very much ready to move forward in your life. You just want to wear your heart on your sleeves and do things that you have never done before and experience life from a totally different angle, from a totally different dimension. Let's see, let's clarify the King of Wands. You just want to vibrate on a totally different frequency now. You're like, I don't want this life anymore. This Taurus, dead. Okay. Let me see. King of Wands. We have Four of Cups and the Page of Wands, the Chariot. You just want to keep things very, very simple in your life. You don't want any kind of disappointment. You don't want any kind of heartbreak. You just want to move forward in your life and make your life very exciting. And you just want to make sure that no matter how many obstacles or challenges are going to be there in your life, you are going to keep moving forward in your life. You are not going to read your book backwards, no matter what. Basically, Taurus, and the fact here, the bizarre thing, the so weird thing. Okay, it's written on my shirt. Weirdo. Veirdo. I know that its spelling is little off, but this is weirdo. Like, yeah, that's how you're behaving. Weirdo. This week you're a weirdo. See, you're like, I'm done with this disappointment stuff. I'm done with this emotional drama. Now I just want a new life, a new chapter, childlike energy, childlike innocence, and I just want to move forward. And I want to do everything that I have never done before in my life because I got only one life and I want to live it to the fullest. So what is happening here is, Taurus, you have a connection with somebody or had a connection with somebody and they were dealing with something else or someone else also, and you knew it. You gave them time, you gave them, this energy of, okay, sort it out and then come back, but they were not able to do that and they're not still able to do that. Now you're like, I'm done, not interested, goodbye. Or the vice versa is true here. And you're like, nope, I want a new life. This one sucks. I don't want this one. Okay. And you're doing it with passionate energy, with a lot of passion and fire inside of you. You're not doing it out of sadness or regret or guilt. You're like, okay, fine. Now you're very excited about the next chapter of your life because you are creating something really different from the usual Taurus energy. Mind blowing. Awesome. But you were telling me this situation have a potential. What else? What now? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 7th of December. Knight of Swords. Somebody is rushing towards you. Somebody or some kind of truth is coming forward towards you in a very quick way, in a very, what should I say? In a very, I don't know. Just let me clarify and I'll explain. We have Six of Wands, Five of Swords, Ace of Swords. Yeah, that's the thing that you're stressing about, the situation that you're stressed out about, or some kind of truth, some kind of communication. If you're stressed out about that, so some kind of communication is going to happen, and everything is going to be crystal clear between you and a particular person. And then this stressful energy of yours is going to be uplifted, and you are going to be like, okay, now it's good, now it's fine. So if there's some kind of miscommunication happening, or if you're waiting for somebody to come forward towards you and give you the clarity or give you the answer or give you some kind of truth about the situation, that is going to happen. But that's going to happen when you're going to be least expecting it to happen. It's like suddenly out of the blue, somebody is going to show up in your life again, maybe in your inbox, maybe in your call box, so I don't know. And the truth is going to be revealed to you. Somebody is going to tell you the truth about a situation that is bothering you. It's not continuously bothering you like your life is on hold or something. It's like something is there in the background that's continuously there. And then you are going to feel like, oh my God, finally. That's a huge relief that you are going to feel regarding a situation that you are kind of stuck on, not fully, but mentally, in the background. And you are going to feel like, oh, that's cool. Finally, you're going to feel at the top of the world because you will be able to figure out something suddenly out of the blue. Now, when I'm saying that, it could be possible that you're going to figure it out yourself also. Like you're going to get the ultimate truth and clarity about a situation. And you are going to be like, okay, got it, finally, moving forward, happy. and or somebody is going to show up in your life very very unexpectedly, and they are going to talk to you, and you guys are going to have a crystal clear clarity about a situation, and then boom, you are going to be like, good, let's move forward. A lot of success and victory, regardless of the situation right now. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Taurus, for this week. We have the Hanged Man, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Before making any kind of life-changing decision, Taurus, okay, life-changing I'm talking about, before committing to something or someone for the rest of your life, maybe, or for maybe a long-term partnership kind of a deal, take a step back, think about it, think about all the pros and cons and everything about that situation. Start it, but take it really very very slow. Don't commit to anything or anyone until unless you're 1000% sure that this is the direction I should go forward in, because it can convert into a very complex and very difficult to handle kind of thing if you are going to overcommit, or if you're going to commit too quickly to a situation that you should be taking very very slow. Doesn't matter if you're 80 years old or 90 years old. Right now your energies are very fast moving, very enthusiastic, very passionate. So you have this tendency right now to make the wrong choices or wrong decision. So you have to go back to your Taurus energy, and you have to like stand still for some time. You have to see things from all the possible angles, and then definitely you can move forward, but take things really very very slow, like one step at a time. And then when you feel like now you are ready to move forward and give something to the situation on that level, then move towards that commitment, long term partnership, or marriage, or whatever it is in your case, in your scenario, right? And keep the other person informed about it, okay, that you want to take things really slow, you want to move forward in a gentle way, you don't want to rush, you want to create something solid and stable, so it's going to take time. If somebody is not going to be ready for that one, for that thing, then it's their loss, not yours, okay? So take it slow, gentle. I don't want you to regret, to add one more regret in your life by doing things that's out of your nature or character. Taurus energy. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And yeah, if this part is not resonating with what you are asking for, you can leave this portion. Sometimes the answers are not for you, right? The whole reading, this applies to the whole reading, okay? So if 10 seconds are not enough for you, you can pause the video and then unpause and watch. Let's start. Okay, so the answer to your question is, this is the sign. This is the sign. Let me explain from the guidebook. अपना कहा जो पिया तूने मुझे. Sometimes we find ourselves in limbo, putting off making decisions or taking next steps towards something we are unsure of. If you have been searching for a sign that you should do, leave, or start something, this is that sign. This also means that depending on the question you have asked, this is an affirmative card, a form of yes. Think of it as a green light to take action. Take action, but be slow and gentle, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.